Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll be adding an animated button hover effect prototype in Wireframes using MockFlow's prototyping feature in under 2 minutes. We've already set up a website wireframe in the MockFlow Wireframe Pro editor. And created 2 button states, button active and button inactive. Let's start with the first interaction for the inactive button. We'll add a mouse hover trigger so that on hover, the read it text appears while the inactive button and rectangle fade away. To make the transition smoother, we'll customize a slide in effect for the text with a slight delay and then click Save to apply the changes, followed by adding a fade out effect for the inactive button. Now, let's move to the second interaction for the active button. This time, we'll use a mouse out trigger, which brings back the rectangle and the view story text while hiding the active button. We'll again polish it with a slide in effect for the view story text, and once done, click Save to apply the changes. To make sure everything behaves correctly, we'll use MockFlow's Layers feature to hide the active button so it only shows up when the interaction is live. Next, click on View to preview the interaction. On hover, the button's active state with its text smoothly appears, and on mouse out, it goes back to the inactive state with the respective effects. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more prototyping videos.